Hello, welcome back to Spot Oreo channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to post text on Reddit for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start it. Click on the Reddit that you have been to install it before. And after that, the next step, you can go to the post symbol in the below here. Click on and click text. Choose the feature where you follow or where you want to be post your Reddit for text. I choose my profile here. Click on my profile. Okay, after that you can type an interesting title. And after that you can type what your tag post here. And after you type all of the blank one, you can click the post in the upper or the right corner. Okay, your post in your profile is done. Okay, let's check for the post. Let's see, click on the symbol in the upper of the left corner and you can go to the profile. Waiting for a moment. And now your post in your profile is done. Okay, I think it's enough for how to post text on Reddit for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.